Cindy, Crane of the Heart, and I'm super excited to share with you my Frank Garcia Studio haul. First time I've ordered from them for Memorial Day. They had, I think it was 20% off plus free shipping, and we spent over $75. So I went ahead and splurged a little bit, and it came really fast. So I got it yesterday, which is Tuesday. I mean, granted, it's not far. The shop is about an hour and a half to 2 hours away from me. So, I mean, shipping wise, it wouldn't take too long to get here, but still pretty fast. I can't remember if I bought it on Friday or Saturday, but either way, it came pretty quickly. So let me go ahead and get started with what I got. A lot of things that I wouldn't, that I can't find other places. This one is a junk journal kit memory place. It's Alice's Tea Party, and I'm excited about this one. It's very, very cute. So it's got all these papers that you can use to make a junk journal. I'm going to play around with that. I'm excited about that. And then I got this, which is from Minte. I don't know anything from Minte, so I did splurge and buy a couple things. I don't know what's up. Which camera is giving me the glare? Maybe it's that one. I'm trying to figure it out here. Maybe it's less glare. Okay. That's my hot light, so it must be giving some glare because I've got some natural light coming in, so maybe that's why. Anyway, this is the Minte Happy Place. It's really, really, just really beautiful, and I wanted a chance to play with some of these papers, so just gorgeous. So I did get that one. And then I did get, let's see, I'm going to show you guys a couple different things here. One is I got the Minte papers. This is the 12 by 12 kit, and it's called Harmony. It's this beautiful sort of blue and I guess a kind of not quite pink, champagne or blush type color. And it's just, I really just love the color palette of this. So I got this one, and let's see here. Yeah. It's packaged really beautifully, actually. Forever Young. This is just kind of luscious. I had to get it. It just reminded me, I don't know, of country fairs, but just really beautiful. Coloring, I don't know, it's really pretty. So I got that one, and then I got a couple of different things that I thought was really, really cool. One is I got single sheets of The Sweet Story by Maggie Holmes, and one is a Frank Garcia exclusive called Just Like Magic. It's a Disney paper, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. The first is the Sweet Story. So what I've decided to do, as much as possible, probably not all the time, but much as possible, I think I'd rather buy crepe paper, American craft paper in the single sheets, because when they come in single sheets, then you get them double-sided. And I just never know when I'm going to need something to be double-sided, and I just find it much easier to work with for me anyway. So this is the Sweet Story. So then I can just pick the papers that I really, really want. So I got this one, this blue one, and this is Maggie Holmes, Swans, and I liked that. Love Fruit has this rainbow, and so somehow I ended up with two of these ones. That must have been an accident. Is fine, and then that. So a lot of beautiful florals, which I love. This pretty confetti one. And this strawberry. And then this swan paper. Okay, so that is the Sweet Story. And then Frank Garcia has an exclusive Disney inspired collection that I had to have. So many of these. It is amazing and gorgeous. And some of the pieces were not available, which is okay. I can do a lot of my own stuff, but really, really beautiful. So you can see this is a cut apart. So I got 2 of each because that way if I wanted to, that way I can use both sides the way I want to use it. I love, love, love it. And I'm thinking about making, I have a Prima already made album, like, you know, ready to, a DIY ready to go album. So I just found it when I cleaned out my closet. So I'm thinking about making an album with that one and putting princess pictures in it. Because I have a lot of pictures of my kids. Because I grew up in Anaheim and I live like 10 minutes from Disneyland. So I have tons of pictures. So I'm going to probably do that. But I love this cut apart. It's just, this palette is just different than what I normally see for Disney. So I'm just really, really loving it. And this is kind of like It's a Small World. And so I did get 2 of that cut apart. And then this with the teacups, I just got a thing for Alice in Wonderland and this pretty blue. So, and it's a very nice weight. So the collection is called Just Like Magic. So I got this one, and this is your cut aparts, and then you can make your lists and documenting your memories. And the other side is this pink. And then this, which is the silhouettes of your princesses, right? Your Cinderella, your Snow White, your Aurora, I think. I don't know. And then this, a kind of marbled one. And then here is I got 2 of these. So this is a cut apart, you know, with tags and different tickets and bows and things like that that you can use to accent your pages. So it's kind of like a fussy cut type thing, but love that. And then the other side of this is this pink marbling, which is gorgeous. And so I got, did I only get 1 of this one? I might have only gotten 1 of this one, and that's all that was available for this one. Because you also could cut apart pieces of this too if you wanted to. But it has this background. And so I love that. And then, so this is another cut apart that you could do, that you could use to put pictures or as a flap or whatever on there. And then I love this. So cute. So these are little Dumbos. And then you've got Sleeping Beauty's castle. And then you got these little things right here, which I'm going to cut out and use because that's just amazingly adorable. So I love this. So that's from Frank Garcia Studio, and that is his exclusive collection. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.